Hi guys, Postbag time. I've been trying to do less of these and do more bags in one go, but I want to open these, or at least one of them, because it's got something I want. Well, obviously I ordered it because I want it, but it's got something I want fairly urgently. We'll open this one first. I think this is probably 4 little DC motors. Don't need scissors for that. Yeah. 4 DC motors. They should all have proper carbon brushes in them, which is why I've really bought them. They might be alright as they are, but I really bought them because somebody suggested I should buy some cheap ones and pinch the brushes out for my little rock crawler that is toy grade and has toy grade motors in them with just the brass brushes. Now, in fact, since I ordered these, I've actually found a couple of old slot car motors that have got the carbon brushes in them. So the car does have carbon brushes in them. But I might give these a try anyway. 11th of the 1st, 2017, I think those dates mean. Okay. So that was one bag, or yeah, one package. This is the one I wanted to open. I'll explain why when I've opened it. Big cardboard box. Just check there's no delivery note in there. Not in there. Big cardboard box, and that's all it is. It's a battery for my Canon camera, the one that I'm currently using to film this. This should be a genuine Canon battery. Of course, you can never tell when you buy it online, but it does state that it's a genuine Canon battery. NB10L, 6.8 watt hours, lithium ion, 920 milliamp hours. The reason I wanted that is there was a genuine one with the camera when I bought it, and while I was in the shop I asked about a second battery and they sold me a different make. He said it should be just as good. I reckon it must have been that one. And it probably lasted for a few months before it started losing power rapidly. Then I went online on eBay and ordered a couple more, which were obviously much cheaper on eBay. And you can probably see, can you see that one's bulging in the middle? They lasted for a matter of weeks, I would think. So that was supposed to be 860 milliamp hours, 6.4 watt hours, which is what the original is. These two were supposed to be 1400 milliamp hours, so nearly double, and 10.4 watt hours. Well, yeah. I suppose briefly they might have been, but they didn't last very long. And then I ordered a couple more on eBay. You think I'd learn, really, wouldn't you? 920 milliamp hours, so slightly more than the 860. 6.8 watt hours, and again they last for minutes. Well, those two are completely rubbish. That one lasts for a little while, and I don't think that one lasts either. So the reason I was quite keen to get this was to get back to an original battery that should last me for, well, in the camera for a couple of hours, and long-term recharging for several hundred charges. So there we go. Cheap batteries, yeah, you get what you pay for. They were cheap, they didn't last for long. The one that's in the camera at the moment is the original, and it's still working and still lasts longer than any of those do. I suppose there's a lesson there, isn't there? Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.